You use toilet paper every single day. You've never once thought about what's in it, because it's just paper. That assumption is exactly what this investigation is here to challenge. Mammovation sent 18 popular toilet paper brands to an EPA-certified laboratory in 2023. 9 of them came back positive for PFAS, per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances. Forever chemicals that accumulate in your body and don't break down. Australian imports were among those most affected. In late 2023, the World Health Organization's Cancer Agency upgraded PFOA, one specific PFAS compound, from possibly carcinogenic to Group 1. Confirmed. The same classification as tobacco. 10 Australian toilet paper brands you need to stop buying. 3 that actually held up. We're counting down from concerning to genuinely shocking. Before we start, here's the one check that changes everything. Look for 2 certifications on any toilet paper you buy. The first is TCF, totally chlorine-free. The second is PCF, process chlorine-free. If neither is on the packaging, the paper was almost certainly bleached using chlorine dioxide, a process that produces dioxins. The WHO links dioxins to endocrine disruption, immune damage, and cancer. Real toilet paper doesn't need fragrance. It doesn't need color. It doesn't need a proprietary softening agent. It needs pulp and water. Everything else is either a performance additive or a cost-cutting mechanism dressed as a benefit. 10 brands, most of them are in your bathroom right now. Number 10. Aldi Confidence 2-ply. This is the budget option. $3 for a pack that lasts a fortnight. If you're buying toilet paper at Aldi, the logic is completely sound. It works, it's cheap, and it's always there. Here's what Aldi doesn't publish. No TCF certification. No PCF certification. No PFAS testing results of any kind on their Australian consumer-facing website. The bleaching method for Aldi Confidence is not disclosed. When a bleaching method isn't disclosed, the default assumption in this industry is chlorine dioxide. The price makes sense when you understand the supply chain. Aldi sources through competitive tender procurement. The supplier can change between contracts. The bleaching standards of the facility producing your Confidence paper this month may not be the standards of the facility producing it next quarter. The brand stays the same. What's inside can shift without any signal to you at the shelf. Cheapest option on the list. Zero chemical transparency. Next brand is more expensive and has the same problem. Number 9. Woolworths. Softly 3-ply. This is the Woolworths house brand. Familiar packaging, consistent shelf placement. A product most Woolworths shoppers have bought without a second thought for years. No TCF certification on the label. No PCF certification. No published PFAS testing results on any Woolworths consumer-facing channel. The supplier is not disclosed. The bleaching method is not disclosed. A CCC supermarket inquiry, March 2025, found Woolworths and Coles provide broadly similar product ranges with limited meaningful differentiation. Their toilet paper is a direct demonstration of that finding. Similar sourcing opacity, similar absence of chemical transparency. Woolworths Softly is a product designed to sit on a shelf and be chosen by elimination. It's available. It's affordable. And it doesn't answer a single question about what was used to make it white. Number 8. Coles Ultra Care 3-ply. Same private label structure as Woolworths Softly. Different name, different design, functionally identical supply chain opacity. No TCF. No PCF. No published PFAS testing. Sourcing through tender pricing means the manufacturer can change between contract cycles. The choice between Woolworths Softly and Coles Ultracare is not a choice between two meaningfully different products. It is a choice between two labels on top of the same question that neither brand has answered. If this is in your bathroom today, you don't know what bleaching method was used to make it. That's not speculation. That's what the label tells you by saying nothing at all. Number 7. Sorbent White 3-ply. Sorbent has been in Australian bathrooms for decades. The brand has genuine recognition and genuine consumer loyalty. That loyalty is what makes this entry worth paying attention to. Sorbent is owned by Essity, a Swedish multinational listed on the Stockholm Stock Exchange. The brand recognition is Australian. The corporate parent is Swedish. Every decision about what chemicals are acceptable in Sorbent's manufacturing process is made by a company whose primary obligations are to Swedish shareholders, not to Australian consumers. No TCF certification on the standard Sorbent White range. No published PFAS testing results on Sorbent Australia's consumer-facing channels. The brand's Australian identity is a heritage story. The actual accountability runs to Stockholm. Number 6. Kleenex Original 3-ply. Kleenex is manufactured by Kimberly-Clark, an American multinational based in Texas. Revenue exceeding $20 billion annually. One of the largest tissue manufacturers in the world, Kimberly-Clark has faced sustained environmental advocacy pressure over its use of virgin wood pulp sourced from Canadian boreal forests, some of the most biodiverse old-growth forest remaining on Earth. The company committed to reducing natural forest fibre use by 50% by 2025 versus a 2011 baseline. Their own website called that goal challenging. No TCF certification on the standard Kleenex Original range sold in Australian supermarkets. No published PFAS testing results. The environmental commitments Kimberly-Clark makes are about what happens to forests. They say nothing about what chemicals enter the paper during manufacturing and whether any of those chemicals end up in contact with your skin. Number 5. Sorbent Hypoallergenic. This is the one parents reach for. Sensitive skin. Babies. Anyone who needs something gentler. The hypoallergenic positioning is deliberate. It's a health and safety signal applied to a product that is touching the body's most sensitive areas. Hypoallergenic means the brand removed fragrance and added dyes that are the most common contact irritants. It does not mean TCF bleached. It does not mean PFAS tested. These are entirely separate categories of concern, and the hypoallergenic certification addresses none of them. The parent who reaches for Sorbent Hypoallergenic because they're being careful about what touches their child's skin is making a reasonable decision with incomplete information. The label implies safety in the category of chemical exposure it was actually designed to address. Everything else is left unanswered. Number 4. Any recycled toilet paper without PCF certification. Here's the one that catches environmentally conscious shoppers. Recycled toilet paper is marketed as the responsible choice. Less deforestation. Better for the planet. For anyone trying to reduce their environmental footprint, it's the obvious reach. Recycled paper starts from post-consumer paper products that may have been bleached using chlorine in their original manufacturing. Process chlorine-free, or PCF. Certification guarantees that no chlorine was added during the recycling process. Without that certification, recycled paper can still use chlorine during reprocessing. The environmental benefit of recycled fibre is real. But the benefit applies to forests, not to the chemical question. A recycled paper without PCF certification may be better for trees and worse for your bathroom chemistry than you assumed. Both things can be true simultaneously. Number 3. Scented toilet paper. Any brand. If this investigation has made you think twice about what's in the toilet paper you're buying, the like button helps other Australians find this before their next shop. Scented toilet paper contains synthetic fragrance compounds applied directly to tissue that contacts the body's most sensitive skin. Fragrance under Australian labelling law is a catch-all term. It can contain dozens of undisclosed individual chemical compounds, including phthalates, which are endocrine-disrupting chemicals with documented hormonal effects. There is no functional benefit to scented toilet paper beyond the scent itself. The scent is not treating your skin. It is not improving the toilet paper's performance. It is introducing an undisclosed chemical mixture to an area of the body where skin absorption is highest. Every major toilet paper brand that makes a scented version also makes an unscented version at the same price. The scented version has no benefit. It only adds risk. Number 2. Quilton Double Length 2-Ply, the Australian ownership gap. Quilton is made by ABC Tissue Products, genuinely Australian-owned since 1987 in Wetherill Park, New South Wales, founded by Henry Nye, still independently operated. And Choice's 2023 toilet paper testing, covering strength, softness and absorbency, Quilton scored 85% overall and was named the top performing brand. Those results are real and they matter. Quilton is on this list not because it failed, but because of a specific gap. Quilton does not publish TCF bleaching certification. Quilton does not publish PFAS testing results on its consumer-facing website or packaging. For consumers choosing on performance, Quilton is the best accessible Australian-owned option. For consumers choosing on chemical transparency, the certifications aren't there to verify. That gap is worth naming clearly. A brand with this level of Australian ownership and this level of consumer loyalty has more accountability to its customers than almost any other brand in this category. Publishing the chemistry would close the gap completely. The question is on the record. The answer hasn't been given yet. Number 1. Who gives a crap recycled? Not for the reason you think. This is the brand that gets chosen by environmentally conscious Australians who are already thinking carefully about their purchases. 50% of profits donated to sanitation projects in developing countries. Recycled paper content. Bamboo range. Plastic-free packaging. It checks every box that a thoughtful shopper is looking for. Who gives a crap is on this list. At number 1, not because of what's wrong with the product. It's because of what a significant portion of its buyers assume about it without checking. WGAC is a B Corp certified organisation. The certification covers social and environmental accountability, governance, worker treatment, environmental impact. B Corp certification does not test for PFAS. It does not require TCF bleaching. These are separate standards applied by separate organisations. Shoppers who buy WGAC because they trust B Corp to cover everything it covers are trusting correctly. Shoppers who assume B Corp extends to PFAS-free paper chemistry are assuming more than the certification guarantees. Who gives a crap has committed to no added PFAS in their manufacturing process, stated on their website. What they have not done is published independent laboratory PFAS testing results for finished products. The commitment is documented. The verification of that commitment through independent batch testing is not. Number 1, because the trust placed in this brand is the highest of any brand in the category. The gap between what that trust assumes and what has been independently verified is the largest. What's actually worth buying? Here's the single fastest check you can do at the shelf. Look for TCF, totally chlorine-free, on the packaging. If it's not there, move on. That one step removes almost everything from the concern list. Worth buying number 3. Quilton 3-ply with full Australian ownership, the choice performance leader. The only mainstream supermarket toilet paper brand that is genuinely Australian-owned. Contact Quilton directly and ask for their bleaching method and PFAS testing results. Australian-owned brands are far more responsive to this type of consumer inquiry than multinationals. Their answer will tell you what you need to know. Worth buying number 2, Eco-Roll Bamboo. FSC 100% certified bamboo. Laboratory certified as free of PFAS, the most specific and independently verifiable chemical safety claim in the Australian toilet paper market. TCF bleached. No plastic packaging. Available online. The PFAS-free laboratory certification is the standard every other brand should be held to. Worth buying number 1. Eco-Cheeks Bamboo. Australian brand. PFAS-free production committed and documented. Totally chlorine-free bleaching. Unscented. BPA-free. Plastic-free packaging. Built specifically around the chemical safety standards that mainstream brands haven't met. The only Australian brand that addresses the PFAS concern at the same level of transparency as the performance brands. Address softness and strength. Here's what you now know that you didn't when you started this video. Mammovation found PFAS in 9 of 18 popular toilet paper brands tested in 2023. Australian imports were among those most affected. The WHO classified PFOA as a Group 1 confirmed human carcinogen in late 2023. Chlorine dioxide bleaching produces dioxins, and most Australian supermarket toilet paper carries no certification that it avoided this process. Fragrance in toilet paper introduces undisclosed chemical compounds to the most absorptive skin on your body. The single rule that changes every purchase from here. Look for TCF or PCF on the label. If it's not there, the brand has answered your question by saying nothing. Quilton for Australian ownership. Eco-Roll for PFAS verification. Eco-Cheeks for Australian-built transparency. The rest of the shelf is designed to be bought without questions. You now know the questions to ask.